Hi, welcome back again. So in this video I will show you how to create an Azure keyboard. So let's start. We have to write keyboard in the search bar. It will take us to the keyboard section. Then we have to click on create. We have to choose our resource group. For the time being we can use Azure Fundamental, and we have to give a name just like keyboard test. This name already taken, so we can use x1. Okay, this name is right now available. Pricing tier, it should be standard, and other things remaining is same. Then we will go to review and create. So if everything going good, the validation should be passed. So validation passed, we are now going to create. So deployment is in progress. We have to wait some couple of minutes for this deployment. So it's done. Right now we are going to the our resources, that means the keyboard, which is already created. Right now we are going to add a secret key to the keyboard. So from the settings we will go to the secrets. First let me show you actually where our keyboard is actually available. So keyboard test, it's already created, and if we go to the resource group, and this is the resource group we are already created, and the keyboard is available under this resource group. So we are going to the keyboard, and right now we are going to add a secret to the keyboard. So from setting we are going to secrets. Then we have to generate or import a secret key. So we have to create this one. We have to give a name just like example password, and the value name we can choose hvfkk, sorry, value key. I'm typing once again. So we have given a value here. Now we are going to create. So our secret is created. Now we have to check it is actually enabled or not. So from under this status we have seen that it is enabled. Now we are entering into this example password. we click on it will show. I'm going to this one. This is the secret identifier. This is the URL value that you can now use with application. It provides a centrally managed and securely stored password. So if you click on show secret value, so as you have seen, this is the secret value we have created. So you have created an Azure keyboard and created a password secret in the keyboard, providing a securely stored centrally managed password for use with applications. So this is the process to create actually keyboard and secret. So thank you for watching.